If you need an adapted vehicle that makes your everyday journeys easier, safer, and completely stress-free, this 2017 Peugeot Partner wheelchair-accessible vehicle is the kind of dependable transport you can count on. With just 37,225 miles and 2 previous owners, it's been cared for the way you want a mobility vehicle to be cared for. You're getting Peugeot's trusted 1.6 Blue HDI diesel engine, with 100 brake horsepower, strong torque and excellent fuel economy, up to 67.3 miles per gallon. It's easy to drive, smooth on longer trips and light around town, giving you confidence wherever you need to go. The rear entry conversion gives you exactly what matters: a lowered floor, a manual ramp, and an electric winch to help with effortless loading. Inside, you've got space for the driver, 2 passengers, and 1 wheelchair user, with a secure 4-point retractable restraint system that keeps your passengers safe and comfortable every mile of the way. The ramp and floor are in very good condition, reflecting proper care and gentle use. With great visibility, simple controls, and a compact size, this Partner is easy for you to park, maneuver, and live with every day. And being Euro 6 and fully ULEZ compliant means no extra charges in low-emission zones. Right now, this excellent example is available for £10,995. Finance options are available, pre-approved finance checks on our website. All our vehicles come with a service, a 12-month MOT, 6 months nationwide warranty, extended warranties available, and free 12 months breakdown cover as part of our AA dealer promise agreement, ensuring ongoing roadworthiness and safety. Please don't hesitate to contact us on 01424870651 or email us for more information.